Stop translating Hindi into English. Learn English by your daily schedule. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. मैं आपको आपके डेली शेड्यूल से इंग्लिश में बोलना सिखाऊंगी। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं मॉर्निंग रूटीन से। आपको मुझे रिपीट करना होगा। ओके, जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी। आई वेक अप एट 6 a.m. Do not say I wake up 6 a.m. It's wrong. Use at before exact time, like at 6 a.m., at 1 p.m., at 8 p.m. It is the trick. Okay. Now say I brush my teeth. Do not say I do brush. It's wrong again. Now say I get ready for work. Get ready means तैयार होना. Now say I leave for work. Tricks. Leave means कहीं जाना, किसी जगह के लिए निकलना. Now next sentence. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Have. Use have while eating something like meals. I have breakfast. I have lunch. I have dinner. Okay. Now say I come back home in the evening. Use in before months and parts of day, like in January, in February, or in the morning, in the evening. But remember, do not say in night. Always say at night. Now say I went down at night. Wind down means relax. After coming home, you will relax. So I wind down at night. Okay? So it was your daily schedule and you have repeated. I know this. So आपको अच्छा भी लगा होगा कि हम इंग्लिश में बोल पाए हैं. एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर लेते हैं. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I get ready for work. I leave for work. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I come back home in the evening. I went down at night. And it is done. Now it's your turn. कमेंट में अपना डेली शेड्यूल मुझे लिखकर ज़रूर भेजिएगा. मैं आपके डेली शेड्यूल की करेक्शन करूँगी. और if you want to speak fluently in English, subscribe Energlish. Thanks for watching. मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye.